Yes, guys, you're welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment. Yeah, proud dad Kachi celebrates his stepson along with his mother Rosie. Things are beginning to shape up for Rock Nation. Kachi took to his page to share amazing pictures of Rosie's son. According to reports, the cute boy is a year older today. He showered touching words to the young chap as he wrote, "You made me want to be someone worth looking up to, and my mission in life will never be complete until I give you the best you've always desired. Son, you're my inspiration." Recall that Kachi, who met Rosie in the Ultimate Love reality show season 1, added "Proud Dad" to his profile on Facebook. This brought the conclusion that he has agreed to accept Rosie and her 2 kids. Meanwhile, the mother of the child didn't waste time as she added her color to the occasion as she shared a selfie with her son. Sharing the photo, Rosie wrote, "We love you for who you are. We are most grateful to God for blessing us with a perfect gift as you. I lack words to say how much you mean to us both, and how much we love you and we are proud of you. We love you eternally. We love you forever. At @I am_Kachi Uchiago. You're an angel on earth." Wow, guys, who would have thought? Guys, what do you think about Kachi's decision to take up Rosie's 2 kids? And don't forget, he's a proud dad. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're a first-time viewer. And also click on the bell icon to receive notification when new stories drop. Thank you.